Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I'm with Daisy, and we actually have an unboxing. So my granddaughter actually checked the mail today, and she was really excited that I got a package. But she's outside playing, and I know Daisy's pretty excited about this package, but it's not for her. So the other day, Marna actually reached out to me, and she had a couple of questions for me, and I'm not going to get into detail about that because it's something that's coming down the pipeline later on. But she told me she wanted to send me some patterns that she had for some 18-inch dolls. And I was really excited. I mean, I don't know how many of you saw my video a little while back where I sewed my finger on the machine. It's actually a lot better now. It still feels kind of weird. Kind of wonder if there's something in there. It's just a blister or something. I don't know. But anyway, I've been doing a little bit more sewing, and I'm opening the package now. I'm kind of struggling here. Marna likes tape. She's like me. Anyway, let me get on with this. Oh, okay. Oh, how fun, Marna. These are nice. Ooh, I like this. Okay, there's 3 patterns here, all for 18-inch dolls. Look at this. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's pants and the apron. Oh, and the top. Oh, and let's see, what do we have here? Here we go. So we have the aprons, bottoms, top. That's really nice. Those look pretty easy too. And then, oh, look at this. So this has a lot to it. So we have a dress and some tops and a skirt. Look how cute. And then this one, again, has a lot of stuff like that. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Well, Marna, I'm going to take your challenge. I got to get me a new needle, though. Hopefully my sewing machine will be working. If not, it's a good excuse to get a new machine, huh? Anyway, thank you, Marna, for these. I'm excited to start sewing again. And you did send me some easy patterns. At least they look pretty easy. I am a beginner. I do have a little bit of sewing background. My mom used to sew for us girls all the time when we were growing up, and she did show us how to sew a little bit. And I remember taking home ec in high school, and I took a sewing class in college, so I have a little bit of background. Doll clothes are a little bit different. And then I also have my sister Tammy Pally over at Peace Craft Dolls. She's a really good seamstress. And if I get in any binds, I can just ask her. Anyway, again, thank you, Marna. And thank you for joining me for this unboxing. And Daisy and I hope you all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative signing out for now. Bye-bye.